That bun, we don't think about bun. Look how me stay. Look here.
Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and day.
Hey guys, I made it to Jamaica. I'm with D. We are laughing. Hey guys! And the first stop is I'm gonna get some donut. Like, I don't want to get no stale donut, so I'm going to the source. I'm gonna get some donut, and I'm gonna take you guys and show you the lovely Jamaican donut, Krispy Kreme. Who?
They say good things must come to an end, but I'm optimistic.
There's bitch. Sorry guys, it's okay. I gotta realize.
Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady. Come to an end, but I'm optimistic about being a friend. Though I make you cry, I do it with Keisha and Nisha, but that was back then. No letting go, no holding back, because you are mine.
The package is secured. Guys, this food is buzzing. Good morning. It is Saturday, guys. Last night we went out we went to Ribby's. Too much fun. I'm gonna insert some clips so you can see how much fun we had. Yeah, so you see, we'll have fun. And right now we're going to Ochi. We're going to the beach today. We're just gonna make a stop to get a friend, get some gas, get some food. You wanna give me bread? Alright, babes. Get some gas, get some food. And then
gas station first, don't you?
yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get some food and some gas. Fuel our body and fuel Gracie.
Oh, first go so we can get 7,000, 6,000. Sorry, Brie.
It's okay. We're gonna fuel Gracie and ourselves, so and then head to Ochi. We're going to this beach club. It's so nice and I'm excited, so I'll show you guys everything. So yeah, I'll just say hello.
Good day.
Hi.
Good. Go back, son.
You as well.
You too.
The titties are tingling.
Afternoon. Do you have cheese patty?
Cheese patty?
Yeah.
We have a whole lot can sell it.
Okay.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like it, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question.
Try Julie.
I don't want three because they make look ripe.
No, I can't get turn one. I can't get two turn one.
Alright.
What are this?
Just give me them two, yeah?
That's why I want to get cheap for $1,000. I don't want to charge you.
Give me back one of the other one then. How much of the sweet stuff?
Yo, when I eat the mango, the mango is just nice. Hey, what? Mango just like, come like, me don't want to sell the mango, I want to eat. Alright. You want to try to eat something?
How much feed first?
No, come on, please.
That sounds reasonable, guys?
Money that, man.
Yeah.
Okay, give me three then.
I don't want to get nothing to burst up, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, use up a camera, man. I love that.
Say aye.
Aye, it's a mango, man. It's a fruits, man. I have mangoes, neesberry, sweet sap, everything in season. I have oranges. Wow, it's lovely. It's just pretty like these pretty ladies.
Oh, thank you,
Eat up
sir.
all the fruits.
Yeah.
Fruits keep it going. I'm 61-year-old and it's just
You lie.
strictly
You look
fruits me
nice
eat.
to
Hey, look
61
here.
door.
Me no drink, me no smoke, me just control my emotion and just make things go on sweet.
That is
We no
it.
afraid of bun, we no think about bun. Look how me stay. Look here. Me a 61, me no fret about bun. We live with no man and me no fret about bun.
That's
Any man we fret about bun, they don't know if it treat to man good. Treat to man good.
Yeah.
And when she run gone and feel
Yeah.
like say a good treatment she will get. When she look at bad treatment, she might tell she will come back, the door closed, me just change the lock and say, look here, baby, stay where you're there.
That is it.
Yeah, man, how you mean?
Thank you, boss.
How you mean? The one that, yo, they say the one that viral. Bye, bye.
Alright. Guys, this is like one of my favorite fucking fruits. This is a sweet sauce.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like it, then chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, and so they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, libido. Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take a picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a while like to listen. Got to one you console. Anything you wish me.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Zuri. Hi, Zuri.
You go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fountain without any doubt, though.
Anyway, happy birthday. Guys, sing me happy birthday. It's still my birthday. Shut up.
And I know that they're both like the Baba Frayo, Mayo, don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 get in my belly.
Until I find a way, I will say the only words I know that you'll understand. That's JP.
Hey guys, welcome
Hey,
back
guys.
to the vlog.
Guys, we're at Frenchman Cove. It's my first time. How many times have you been here, Daniel?
This is my second time.
Oh my God. Oh wow, what's up my foot, sir?
Water.
But I never feel myself stepping in the water. But we're going to Frenchman Cove. Well,
And
we're
we're
here.
gonna have so much fun.
What are you talking at the voice there?
I don't know. Not so YouTube people talk.
You can't talk now, my
They
girl.
have a voice.
But yeah, this is the fit. Shein and Pretty Little Thing at Amazon.
I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you. Love and treat you right. I wanna love you. Everything and everything and every night. We'll be together.
We're in the freshwater side, so this is like a river where the beach is. Like it meets the river.
Me a little bit. Thanks.
This is where the
I
river.
can't wait to watch this vlog, guys.
Yes, it's just a little salty.
Guys, you should see the Polaroids from
Yes, I'm gonna include a picture of them.
from this trip, guys. So good. When we get older and we'll show with friends, not with friends,
With
but
kids.
It's gonna give 90s vibes. Like we were born in the 90s, like how we look on our parents.
Yeah. Well, we were born in the 90s actually.
Yeah, I know.
But like the later part.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna just show you the scenery, and when we get to the beach, obviously I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Guys, I really don't care if nobody watching me because this is Jamaica.
Is this love? 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 Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? I'm willing.
Yeah.
She like go dick, oh yeah, quick. Sometimes she they confuse me.
I wanna love you. Everything and everything and everything.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Guys, I'm about to fuck this shit up. Hey guys, I made it back home to Texas because yes, it was a short trip, just a few days in Jamaica, and I just wanted to close the video out by saying I had so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, see you next time.